everyone. As you can see, yes, it's presentation assembly. It's Friday the 16th of December 2022 and we're here at the end of the autumn term and to celebrate all those children in years 3 and years 4. We won't see a great deal of me, you're just going to see amazing year 3 and year 4 children who have been absolutely phenomenal and working so hard throughout this term, earned themselves certificates. But first of all, we're going to see the top 3 house points in each of those year groups. And in year 3, we're going to kick off with, in Mrs. Cook and Mrs. Robertson's class, we've got Mason on 61, Alexandra on 62 and Tudor on 63. A huge number of house points on those 3 children, Mrs. Cook and Mrs. Robertson's class. Well done, you guys. I know there's big smiles on your face. You should be smiling. And in Miss Marshall's, very similarly, we've got Mimi on 47, Beatrix on 52 and Scarlett on 61. Wow, you 6 deserve a special round of applause. So really well done. Big smiles all around. Keep it up into the new year as well. Who knows, let's see if you can stay in those top 3 throughout the next lot of presentation assemblies. So well done, you 6, you superstars. On to year 4. Look at Miss White and Miss Barrett. Look at the number of house points here. She's got Daria on 75, Rion on 89 and Muntaha on 98. 98, no less. Amazing number of house points. And then you see Miss Barrett as well. Nala, 105. Ramya, 120. And then Tyler just down on the lead, 124 house points. Phenomenal. Well done, you 6. You should be smiling. That's a huge number of house points. Really hard work. So well done. And keep it up in the new year, you superstars. On to our certificate. Look at these English stars. So these year 3 English stars. So we've got Nikita, we've got Scarlett, we've got Noah, and we've got Lexi, working so hard on their English. So really well done. Big smiles again. I know you have, because lots of you have appeared on my proud wall as well. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home these days. You superstars. On to our reading stars. Now these guys, not only are they going to get a reading certificate, but they take themselves home a brand new reading book as well. So we've got Rebecca, we've got Caitlin, we've got Woody, and we've got Ava, working so hard on their reading. I'm so proud of them. Really well done. Their reading records are so full as well, reading every single day. I hope you enjoy your new books. Tell me all about it when you come back after Christmas, you superstars. Our maths stars. Now look at these maths stars. Now I know these guys have been working so hard on their maths mastery lessons. They really have. Not only that, but their times tables as well. So we've got Henry, we've got Teddy, we've got Crystal, we've got Alexia. Absolutely superb, guys. So really well done work on maths. Big smiles as well. You're making me smile. You're absolutely super on your maths throughout this term, and keep it up into next term. Super. Enjoy taking certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. Our scientists, look at these scientists. Lots of science going on throughout this term. So we've got Olivia, we've got Noah, we've got Isla, and we've got Maxwell. So really well done, guys, working so hard in your science books, and keep that up, because actually, come on, we need more scientists, we really do. So keep that up, and who knows, you could be future scientists helping to solve all the world's problems with various diseases and things like that you could do in your science specialism. So good luck, guys. Enjoy taking certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. Look at these guys, these history stars, and history has been amazing. I know they've loved their history topic this time. So we've got Dennis, we've got Ethan, we've got Mantadas, and we've got Bartos, working so hard on their history. You know, absolutely superb. Really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. Our year 3 PE stars. Now these guys not only have been physically active in their PE and games lessons, but at break time, lunch times too, and at the various clubs as well. So we've got Marley, we've got Alita, we've got Sinead, and we've got Raphael. Well done, Raphael. Well done, Sinead. Well done, Alita. Well done, Marley. Absolutely deserve these certificates. Really proud of you. Keep being physically active. Keep working as hard as you possibly can. Breaking lunch times as well. It's fantastic to see. And being physically fit is really good for you, and will stand you in good stead when you get older. So well done, guys. Enjoy taking certificates home today, you superstars. Oh, look out, we've got our year 4 English stars. Now look at these guys. So we've got Mohammed, we've got Dorcas, we've got Rosie, and we've got Lilith, working so hard on their English, all of their writing, and some of that has appeared on my proud wall as well. Great job indeed, guys, so really well done. Enjoy taking certificate home. And I know, Rosie, big smile. You're making me smile. You should be as well. You've just earned your English star certificate, so really well done. Our reading stars. Here we go. Look, we've got Rosie, we've got Bo, we've got Ebony, and we've got Oliver. Well done, guys. Really proud of you. Not only are you going to get a certificate here, but a brand new reading book as well. Tell me all about it when you come back after Christmas, you superstars. I know you'll enjoy reading them as well, because I know you've got very, very full reading records. Well done. Big smile there, Oliver. Well done. On to our mathematicians. Look at these mathematicians. We've got Cooper, we've got Olivia, we've got Daisy, and we've got Lee, working so hard on their maths mastery lessons. But not only that, times table rock stars as well. You see Cooper there rocking out. These guys have been working so hard on their times tables as well, and doing really, really well on all those challenges. So keep it up, guys. Really well done. Enjoy taking certificates home today, you superstar. Well done. Our scientists. Look at these scientists, don't they? Big smiles again from these guys, working hard. We've done lots of science throughout this term in the curriculum as well. So really great job from these guys. So we've got Levi, we've got Casper, we've got Raum, and we've got Ebony, who've been working so hard on their science throughout this term. Really well deserved. Enjoy taking certificates home today, superstars. Big smiles as well. Our geography stars, again, lots of geography fitted into the curriculum. So we've got Benita, we've got Luke, we've got Jordan, and we've got Robbie, who've been working so hard. Look at that smile, Robbie. You should be smiling now, buddy. You just won your geography star certificate. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. Our PE stars, look at these guys. These are physically active. These have worked so hard in their PE and their games list, and they really have. So we've got Logan, we've got Gabia, we've got Gino, and we've got Lacey, who have been so physically fit and working so hard in all of their lessons, but at break and lunchtimes as well. So enjoy taking this home and keep yourselves really fit over Christmas as well. All right? Try not to do too much eating. I know you four will be fine, but enjoy taking your certificates home, you superstars. Well done. Well done to all those children. What a huge number of certificates there. But also, we've got another set of golden ticket winners we're going to give a shout out to for this half term. And they are Henry, Scarlett, Perla, Nala, Mimi, Sapphire, Mia May, Tyler, Olivia, Kobe, Rebecca, Jacob, Scarlett, Anna Maria, Gino, Casper, Mantadas, Caitlin, Gabby, Daisy, Adama, Rebecca, Ebony and Rosie, who worked so hard and earned themselves golden tickets this half term as well. Don't worry, if your name's not there and you haven't earned a golden ticket yet, they're back in 2023. So look out for the new golden tickets for 2023, everyone. Finally, this morning, just as to me, we close today for the Christmas holidays. Obviously, you see it's Friday the 16th of December. We close at 3:15 today for our Christmas holidays. What an amazing term we have had. We're back to school Tuesday the 3rd of January 2023. The Monday is a bank holiday. So Tuesday the 3rd of January 2023 is when we return back after the holidays, and have a wonderful, wonderful holiday, everyone. All that's left for me to say is Merry Christmas. Enjoy the holidays. Please stay safe. Wrap up warm. It's still going to be freezing. And until Tuesday the 3rd of January 2023, we'll see you all then. Bye-bye now.